These are EVGA Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 video cards. They're a little bit different. This one was a little bit more expensive. Both of them have 3 fans. Let's look at the specs. This model over here, 08GP53755RL, was a little bit cheaper. I see this is the boost clock. They differ with the boost clock. They differ in dimensions a little bit. Tells you the ports, HDMI and 3 display ports, and there will be a small difference in cooling. Then we have this model, which is 08GP53767RL. Similar model. We have like different information here a little bit, like something about backplate, there's some super technology and higher speed, 1815 megahertz. Same ports, different dimensions. We have UPC, part number, serial numbers over here. Video cards come from different manufacturers, different shapes, different cooling systems. Some have 1 fan, some have 2, some have 3. This one's EVGA. I have 2 seals. These are very plain kind of boxes. Other manufacturers like to make like more nice kind of boxes with a picture of a video card in here. But it all doesn't matter. What matters is the video card. Good protection. And video card is in here. And here we have nothing. Okay. Video card is really huge. Look at this. This is definitely a lot more powerful than a laptop version. There is a reason why it's thicker than any laptop. Yeah, I would say it's thicker than any laptop, yeah. I have seal here. This one is more expensive one, ending in 67RL. Look at this. I have a serial number there. Look at this cooling. This is crazy. Extra power here. FTW3 means something good. EVGA RTX 3070. Absolutely massive, huge video card. It definitely will not fit in every desktop. You need one with like big case, you know, so you can fit it physically. It's a nice design. PX1. This one will definitely look good if you have like glass case, so you can see through. 3 display ports, 1 HDMI as mentioned. GeForce RTX, EVGA. We have this metal plate over here. Have a lot of copper here. I'm pretty sure this one will be good for overclocking and everything, as it's really just like a little bit better version of the other one. A little bit more expensive. This one comes in plastic case instead of foam. This one is the cheaper one. Let's see here. This one, model ending 55RL. We can see PC here. This one is definitely smaller. If you compare them, definitely smaller, shorter, and not sure. Yeah, it's smaller in every dimension. Three fans. It still looks like a really good cooling system. 3 HDMI, one HDMI, 3 display ports. Also gets this kind of, okay, this is the back. This one is slightly a little bit slower, but if you're not planning to overclock, I would probably just go for this one and save, depending how much is the price difference. I believe I paid just like $10 more for this one, so it's worth it. But if it's like $50 difference, then, you know, probably not. Extra power here. Definitely feels lighter too.